Sometimes talking on the phone is as good as meeting face to face. At other times, it's more like meeting face to fist.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Privet? Yes? This is Swings and Things of Ilford. I have here your letter asking about discounts.
Ah, yes.
Now, as I understand it, you're asking for quotes on the following: one children's slide, one roller barrel, one whirligig, one climbing frame, and 5 tyre swings. Or is that 6?
Pardon?
5 or 6.
5 or 6 what?
Tyre swings.
Oh, 6, but we wanted some other stuff as well. One children's slide, one roller barrel,
I know,
one...
I know, I just read them to you.
Oh, well, you're way ahead of me there. I was just getting the file out.
Right, well, I'll read the list again, shall I?
OK.
One children's slide, one roller barrel, one whirligig, one climbing frame, and 6 tyre swings. Now, I could offer you a 15% discount.
No, that's no good.
Is it? Well, how much were you looking for?
Oh, not you. I wasn't talking to you.
Why not?
I'm sorry. I was talking to somebody else.
Look, what is going on there?
Nothing. Do go on.
Well, I will if you're prepared to listen.
I am listening.
No, you're not. You're talking to somebody else.
No, I'm not.
Well, you said you were.
Well, I was, but I'm not now. Fire away.
3rd time lucky. One children's slide, one roller barrel.
Look, if you don't want the order, just say so.
When it comes to sales and service, the telephone makes it so easy to give the customer the runaround.
Universal National.
Is that Universal International?
Yes, who do you want to speak to?
Well, I'm interested in fencing.
Are you?
Yes. Can you give me some information about your best quality overlap fencing?
Just a minute. Are you industrial, commercial, trade, retail or general?
What?
Are you industrial, commercial, trade, retail or general?
Look, I want the department that does fencing. You know, not the woven type, but the overlap planks that nail onto the cross pieces. And I want to know how soon you can deliver.
Delivery, I'll give you dispatch.
No, hello? Oh, dear.
On the phone, it's easy to confuse people now and then. But with a little practice, you can do it every time.
Rose Ward, Nurse Starch speaking.
It's about my daughter. She's having a scan and whatnot at 3 o'clock this afternoon.
3 o'clock? Well, we don't seem to have any clinic appointments till 5.
Yes, you do. Dr. Glover said so.
I see. May I take some details? Dr. Glover is your GP, you see.
Said he wanted to make sure everything was all right, this being her first baby and everything, and her only 18.
Age 18?
But that Wayne of hers vanished off the face of the earth, made me and Mr. Waffle the laughing stock of Inkerman Street.
Name Waffle, address Inkerman Street.
Poor Gloria at number 52.
52 Inkerman Street.
But it was an accident.
Gloria.
I was saying to Father O'Leary just the other day.
Roman Catholic.
Just so she could afford to buy a decent pram, with the big wheels and proper springs and plenty of room for the laundry and everything. Few days in hospital.
A few days?
Well, that's what the doctor said.
So this is an inpatient. Why didn't you say so?
It's essential to have patience when using the phone. After all, it does take time to get a customer really angry.
Are you holding?
No, it's not dispatch that I... Are you there?
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Hello?
Sorry to keep you waiting.
Don't go away. Can you tell me...
I told you, the line's busy.
I just want to make a quick inquiry.
We can't interrupt calls, you know.
Then can I leave a message?
We can't take messages. You ought to know that.
Is there anything you can do?
Don't shout at me. I'm just doing my job. Are you still holding?
Yes, I am.
Who are you ringing?
Well, you were putting me through to dispatch, but I want...
Dispatch. Trying to connect you.
Oh, God.
Dispatch!
Pardon?
Dispatch! Dispatch department!
Is that the dispatch department?
I said so, didn't I?
Look, I wonder if you can help me. I'm thinking of buying some fencing, you know, for a building site.
Well, you want order processing. Hold on.
Hello? Hello, operator?
Have you finished?
Hello?
Here's a lucky boss who can rely on his staff to put through that all-important call time after time after time.
Well, look, Jenny, I better go. I'll give you a ring, all right? All right. Look after yourself, all right? All right, I'll phone you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, love. Bye.
Sandra, who was that on the phone for me just now?
A very rude man.
Who was it?
Someone at United Constructions.
Who? Who? Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Right, well, get him immediately, please.
Hello?
Oh, never mind, I'll get it myself.
Oh, no. No, I don't know that one offhand. I'll have to look it up.
Ah, hello, Mr. Williams. Beckett here. Sorry about all that just now. I didn't know it was you. I've got a useless secretary. Yes, right. Well, what did you want to know? Yes, I can tell you that. It's the 25th of this month. Yes. Okay, is that all? Okay, bye-bye. Sandra, will you give me the Atlantic Industries file?
Okay.
Mr. Williams is free now. I'll put you through. Williams here.
Oh, Mr. Williams, could you hold on a minute, please? I have Mr. Beckett for you.
Mr. Beckett.
Hello?
Mr. Williams for you.
Hello again, Mr. Williams. What can I do for you?
I beg your pardon.
It's a relief when you finally get through to somebody who knows what they're talking about. But it's a shame when they don't want to know what you're talking about.
Hello?
Is that the department that takes orders for fencing?
Sort of.
What do you mean, sort of?
Well, there's nobody here.
Well, you're there, aren't you?
Well, it's not really my department, you see. I was just in here.
Well, anyway, I want to order some fencing.
Yes. Well, you see, I'm not really here.
Then can you give me somebody who is really there?
Well, none of them seem to be here, in actual fact.
Well, can you at least take my name and give them a message to ring me?
Yes, look, I think it would be best if you could call back when there's somebody here, okay?
Oh, no, hello?